Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to check for corrupted files Windows 11 using a built-in tool. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the search bar and type CMD. This opens Command Prompt, a system tool used to run commands that manage and fix Windows files. Step 2. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This gives full system access, which is needed to scan and repair protected files. Step 3. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt. This allows Windows 11 to grant permission for making system changes. Step 4. Type SFC Scannow in Command Prompt and press Enter. This runs System File Checker, which scans and checks for damaged or missing system files. Step 5. Wait for the scan to finish and let Windows repair corrupted files. After it completes, you'll see a message showing the results. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click.